Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make water ripple effect like video. Let's get started. Okay, first you choose Convert to Smart Object. Ctrl+J copy layer. Then, Ctrl+T, click 180 degrees and flip horizontal. Use crop tool to stretch the image. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Angel, 90, Distance, 2. Create new layer. Click to edit, fill, or press Shift plus F5. Choose color.
Here you choose the right watercolor for your photo weather.
Or you can take this color of mine. My color code is 1E5D9D. Then, click Smart Filters. Choose Gradient Tool, and make sure you choose this.
Then select right in the middle of the image, drag from the bottom.
Hold Shift key while dragging to create drag line easily.
Select Layer Effect, then create Layer Mask.
Similarly, you will drag up from the bottom of the image. Okay, done. Next you will create water ripples for the photo. Hold Ctrl button and select two layers together. Then, click New. Here you can choose any size, but the image has to be vertical, or like me. Click Filter, Noise, add noise. Then, you drag Index Max and choose Gaussian. OK. Next, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 2.0 pixels. Click to Channels, choose Red. Next, Filter, Stylize, Emboss. In the Angle section you choose 90 degrees, then OK. Continue in the green part, you do the same. In the Angle section you choose 180 degrees, then OK.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Now, unlock layer.
If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the
Ctrl T and right-click, select Perspective. Then, hold Alt and scroll the mouse to expand. Stretch the shape out at the end point. The longer it is, the longer the ripple will be.
You say you wanna try.
Next, Ctrl T and drag the image halfway down.
You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Then you save it as a Photoshop file, so it becomes a converter later if you need more. Come back, and choose Effect. Filter, Distort, Displace.
I don't know what you
Here I choose horizontal as 30, vertical 60.
want till I down.
Select the file you just saved.
My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Boom.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you want
There are still some bad points, so we will fix it.
to.
It's easy. Ctrl T and drag the image further. Next, I'll make a deeper move to make it more realistic. Create new layer.
Say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Zoom in on the image and hold Shift to make it easy to drag into a straight line.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Next, choose Soft Light. Boom, it looks pretty realistic. You can further adjust it in the opacity section.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. If you feel like
Thank you for watching. If you like more of my new videos, please continue to follow my channel by pressing the subscribe button.